I was not home, and when I come back, and here we go, a big surprise from my hibiscus that blooming already this year many times. Maybe this is number five times blooming in the season. And as you can see here, another two flower buds here, amazing, and lovely color. This one, this I repotted, and probably it likes the soil which I'm using compost, my own compost, and growing nice on the windowsill here inside. And in the day I open this stuff, and give to this beautiful plant light and growing beautiful. Thanks for watching. George was here, and I come back just a long time ago. I didn't posted any videos, and yeah, see you.